This is the kit you're going to get when you get your shipment. It has 2 front wheels and 3 back wheels, a front axle and a back axle, and they are actually labeled. You can see there's a label one that says front wheel, and then there's also a label on the back wheel. So what I'm going to do is put the front wheels on first. We're going to take the axle, and you just need to remove the little clip, and you're going to slip it in. This is you have removed the wheels that came with the cart. And then you're just going to take your front wheel and you're going to slide it on. And put your little clip back in. There we go. And then you're going to take your other clip out and put the other wheel on. And put your clip in here. And we're going to do the same thing for the back wheels. Now for the back wheel, you're going to remove your one clip, and you're going to slide this in part way. You're going to take your large middle wheel, and I put it in here. And then you just lift this up and catch that part there. Put it through. The trick is to get it lined up, then it'll go right in there. And put it through. Take your other clip out. And you're going to put your wheel on. Put your clip back in. Push it through. Take your other wheel and slip that on. And replace your clip. Need a little more here. There we go. And you put your clip back on. Now, you have your wagon for the beach. And since I don't sell the carts or the wagons, I can purchase them for you and have them drop shipped to your place. But I find that with the wagon, this little clip that they have on here usually breaks off. So I just take a Velcro and put it on to hold the wagon, to hold the handle up. So there you have your beach wagon. Rolls like butter through the sand, on land, whatever you need. Just fill it up with your cooler, your boogie boards, your chairs, whatever, your beach towels, your beach bag, and away you go to the beach.